Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video will gonna discuss how to find out smallest number in an array. Right? That algorithm we'll gonna see and we'll implement that algorithm using Java. Right? That program will write in Java. Okay, so if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification. If you will upload any videos, you will get it. Right, so this is my channel. If you see, entire git series is there with different commands and JUnits, integration testing and code coverage and CRUD operation, and a lot of videos are there. You can, if you see, lot of videos are here. If you are really interested, you can have a watch, you can watch those videos as well. Right, lot of videos are here. Okay, let's move to today's topic. So how to find out a smallest number in an array. So whether it's a small or large, just minor modification will be there in that code, right? Okay, I will explain that one. So these questions, whether if you are a fresher or experienced, you will get, sometimes you will get this question, right? So okay, let me explain you in a brief manner, right? So suppose we do have an array, right? Suppose this is an array. I have, suppose here 30 and 30, then 5, then 40, then 3, then 7, then 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, so now what we'll do, how to identify whether it's a small, how to identify that smallest number in that array. So how will identify? First, what you need to take, suppose we'll take one variable int minimum number we'll find, right? Smallest or minimum. Mean equal to array of, suppose this is the array of 0 will take, right? So if array of 0, how much currently? 30, right? So we'll compare this mean with different elements. First we'll compare with this one, then this one, right? We'll compare like this. So if mean, right, if array of I or array of 0, for the suppose let's compare, okay, let me compare over here. If array of 0, we'll compare one by one index, right? If array of 0 is less than mean, that means I am saying if mean value, right, if whatever that value present in 0th index is smaller than mean, that time what we'll do mean equal to array of 0, right? So we'll update that mean value. For example, let me do over here. Array of 0, what is array of 0? 30, right? 30 is less than 30, is that? No, right? So mean will be 30 currently. Next we'll compare with index 1. Index 1, what is? Array of 1 is less than mean key, means is 5 is less than 30? Yes. Then 30 will be removed, and currently mean, what is the mean currently? 5, right? Mean equal to array of, mean value will replace. Okay, then next we'll compare with mean again. If array of 2, how much? 40, right? Array of 2, 40. 40 is less than, currently mean how much? Is 5, right? 40 is less than 5? No. then main is 5 as usual. Okay, then next we'll compare with this one. Sorry, next we'll compare with element. Third index will compare, right? So third index, what is that value? 3, right? So 3 is less than 5, is that? Yes. Then here mean will be updated to how much? 3. Okay, now with this mean we'll compare with fourth number index, right? This fourth number index. In fourth number index, what is that value? 7. So is 7 is less than 3? No. Then mean value will be 3 only, right? Then we'll compare with index 5, right? Then we'll compare with index 5. Index 5, what is the value? 1 over here, right? So what we'll say is 1 is less than 3. Yes. Then we'll update that mean value. So what is that mean value? 1, right? So this is that how we are doing. First we'll take a variable as a mean, and with that mean we'll compare all those values, and based on that we'll change that mean, and finally we'll get that answer, right? So if you do that one, how we'll do? Int mean equal to array of 0, then we'll apply a for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus, right? Then here if array of I is less than mean, then mean is equal to array of I, right? And here will if condition and for loop we have closed. The same thing we have plotted here, right? And if you want to find the largest number, nothing, there will be no measure change, just you will do a greater than symbol over here instead of less than, just greater than symbol. Okay, we'll do in program, right? So first we'll find one minimum value, right, in that array. Okay, let me open my IntelliJ IDEA. Already I have created a sample project over here. Let me create one class, find mean number in array. Find mean number in array, right? And here main method already we have declared. Okay, so public int public static will take, right? Public static int find mean, find mean, and here we'll pass int array, then int mean equal to array of 0, then for int I is equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus, and over here if array of 0 is less, not 0, right? It's dynamical. It's I is less than mean. The same thing I am doing over here. Then mean equal to array of I. If array of I is less than mean, means mean is smaller than mean, then we are assigning mean, I mean in that mean variable to that value, right? So it's done. Now let's return this mean. Return Control V and paste over here. Okay, let's call this method and we'll pass some array. This out. Okay, this is not eclipse. System.out.println, and we'll pass and we'll call this method with one array. So new int of what is the value we'll pass? Insert. Okay, one more parenthesis. That is class name, my bad. That is class name. Sorry, sometimes it's happened, right? Okay, so what are the values? 3, 20, 40. The same value will pass. 3, 20, 40. 3, 5. Okay, no problem. 3, 5, 40. 3, 5. Okay, 3, 5, 40. 371. 371. 371. Okay, so what is that outcome we'll find over here? 1, right? Let's run it. Okay, this program is running. My battery is also running, right? It's remaining 13%. Hope it will complete. I will complete this video. Okay, don't know why it's taking time. Okay, so here what we are doing, this is that public what this is access modifier static. This is the static method, so that from main method directly we can call without creating any object. And here we are passing that array and we are doing that logic. If you see here, we are getting 1, so minimum value we are getting. Okay, let me give here something 4. So what will be the main value over here? 3. This is testing we are doing, right? So it should be 3. Okay, so I'm not sure why it's taking time. Right, we are getting 3 over here, right? So simple over here, right? Just if you want to find the largest, means just provide one greater than, right? So here what is the greatest? 40. Let's see. Simple, right? That comparison only, that comparison. Just see 40 is coming, right? My battery is low. Okay, so this is that entire thing, whether it's a smallest, if you want to find out smallest number or greatest number, this is that logic, a simple logic. Just by modifying this one you can easily identify, right? So hope this video will be helpful to you people. If this video is really helpful, please hit a like, give a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, right? Thank you for watching.